Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, we said try it twice. Got a problem with
I
that?
got a problem with that. You know why?
Why?
Because you're gay.
You're gay.
Well, more kids like me.
You wish. More girls like me.
You know what? Hippie love.
Hippie love.
Anyway, our show.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Our show topic today is about.
That one
Our
smells.
show topic today
But
is
Care Bears
about.
and Joe Jonas.
No,
It should be.
no, it's not.
Did you hear Joe Jonas has a Care Bear pillow?
That's great. It's fantastic.
It's amazing.
More reasons for little kids to love them.
Little kids, women.
Little women to love them. Alright.
Twilight rocks.
God, my head. Okay, so we're going to talk about Madonna and A-Rod's marriage. Divorce, whatever. Anyway, I don't like A-Rod. You know why?
Because his nickname's A-Rod.
Changed me from A-Rod to A-Hole.
He's just making sure that he's a guy. He is A-Rod.
Ew, you sick freak. Sick freak and Roy. That's what you guys should be called, the sick brothers. Anyway, since that Joe Jonas has took too many Tums. Oh my god, I am like...
I'm sweating by my presence.
Okay, anyway. Madonna, what was say about Madonna?
She's hot.
Madonna, huh? Madonna is a man! And you know who wants to be like her?
Some girl
Oh
named
my god,
Daddy.
it's Miley Cyrus! Miley Cyrus wants to be like Madonna. So wants to be like a skinny boo. Oh gosh. Oh! My parents didn't let it go!
I'm here.
Someone lost her.
Oh, there we go. I'm sorry for that.
Earrings.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah.
See, I do have fingers.
Gabby stinks, doesn't it?
God, this Care Bear smells.
That one smells.
I can't do this.
Did it pause?
It's, no, just keep going.
Okay.
It's like...
Whoa!
Yeah. God.
Censored. You just pushed Joe Jonas. Oh well.
I'm sorry.
As long as it's not Twilight people person. Put it on backlash. Can you move it like this? I can shake it like that.
I made my own little dance for Metro Station. You want to see it? Okay, here we go. Well, she doesn't like this when you do it. I will. Oh, God. Oh, you want to hear a joke? All right.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you a joke. Alright. So, what do you call a car showered in milk?
What?
Mud? I'm going to ask Erica. Eric, let's ask Erica. Erica, what do you call a car showered in milk?
Lactose intolerant?
A cartoon! Hey, Erica. What do you at? Why couldn't the shoes finish his laps?
What?
Why couldn't the shoes finish his laps?
It's on your feet.
Because it ain't a foot to go!
Speaking of feet.
I got small feet. Put your feet by mine.
No, my feet are ugly.
My feet are small.
My feet are ugly.
Anyway, what other jokes do I have? So this rabbi, this priest,
No religious jokes. No
And-
religious jokes.
Buddha went into a bar. That's all I should really tell you because you should be laughing. Oh Lord.
Who's hotter than the Jonas Brothers?
Me. I'm kidding.
Edward
that
from
would be-
Twilight. Yes, Robert Pattinson. Yeah. And then
Right
Biden.
now, she's right now like love struck by Twilight, which is this book.
That's the second book.
What's the second
Wait.
book? As you can see, it is a rose dripped in blood because he's a vampire. I'm gonna read the first line. Here we go. I lay there quiet
Is
in
that
his
the first
arms,
line?
rememorizing his face, pretending. He stared at my face like he was doing the same while he and Alice discussed how to get home. Their voices were so quick and low.
The hottest guy ever.
Man,
The hottest guy ever.
how can myself? Here, I can't read this. I think it's like vampire. La tua cantante. I think that's Spanish.
That means Gabby, stop talking. Else
La
Edward will
tua
smack you.
cantante. You keep talking.
I haven't gone that far in the book. Don't read that.
She's dead on her feet. I had sensed that I'd been asleep for a very long time.
Don't read that part. I haven't read that part.
Let's read the last page. I pressed my lips against.
You did the
I don't want to read the rest. No, my book. Sorry.
You biatch. Ew.
Is that lotion? Yuck.
Oh my gosh, it's like Victoria's Secret stuff.
Let me smell
Wait.
it. I want to smell it.
Holy crap.
Okay, let me read that last line.
Wait. That's Gabby's crap.
Then I must be sick, especially having. Yeah, rub it on the carpet.
Holy, who's picking you up later? Wait, we should be saying that on the video. Bye.
She doesn't like this when you do it. I was.
Ew.